You will love the features of this 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Colorado packs fuel efficiency, creature comforts, and can-do capabilities into a mid-sized pickup that's fun and easy to drive, whether you're in the city or on the work site. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, power passenger seat, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control. Have fun, drive smart, get the job done. Count on the Colorado.